Hi, in this video we will show you how to start and set up the new F9S tester. You will learn how to activate different languages and download all required updates. First, make sure the tester has access to a Wi-Fi network. To do this, swipe down from the top of the screen, tap the Wi-Fi icon, and select an available network. Once connected, tap Back. Next, we need to enter the email address that we will use to create our account. Use the down arrow to hide the keyboard and tap Activate. That completes the first step. Now you need to create an account. If you do not have one yet, click Register and fill in all required fields. Email address and username. After filling in the form, click Get Verification Code. An activation code will be sent to the email address you provided. Important: you have 1 minute to enter the code. After entering the code, click Next and set a password. The password must be at least 8 characters long. Then click Register. Your account registration is now complete. Go back to the home screen and log in by entering your email address and the password you set earlier. Click Login. The main menu is now displayed. The next step is to change the system language. To do this, click the Options icon, then the gear icon, and go to the system settings. Next, open System, then Language and Input, and select the system language. After adding the language, drag it to the top of the list. This will activate it. Click Back. Now it is a good idea to set the date and time. Click Date and Time. Turn off the automatic settings and choose your time zone. In this case, Poland. And then, if you wish, turn automatic synchronization back on. In the system settings, it is also recommended to enable the display of the battery charge level in %. If this option is disabled, enable it and return to the main menu. The next step is to choose the languages used for diagnostics. By default, only English is active, so we need to clear the app data. Again, go to the system settings, select Apps and Notifications, then User Center, and then Storage and Cache. Now select Clear Internal Storage. Confirm. This will reset the application. Return to the main menu, where you can now select the languages for diagnostics. If you buy the tester from an authorized European distributor, you have access to all languages without any limitations. Select the languages you need and confirm your choice. After resetting the application, you need to log in again using the credentials you created earlier. Click Login and you're logged in. Now, click the user icon in the top right corner and go to General Settings to change the language. Here you can also change the theme from dark to light. as we did in the video, but this change will only appear after a short while. Then go to Language Settings. Select your language from the list and confirm. Next, go to the Update Center. Download all available updates by clicking Update for each of them. This process is very quick. For a system update, the tester may restart. After it restarts, go back to the Update Center to make sure all functions have been downloaded. Then go to the Diagnostics menu. On the first start, a message about connecting to the VCI module will appear. The VCI number will be displayed. If the tester is original, do not change anything and simply activate the module. The tester will automatically download the required files. You only need to confirm the prompts on the screen. You do not need to use the VCI module for this function. When the process is finished, go to the Update menu again. To download all vehicle makes, click Update in the bottom right corner. We recommend connecting the tester to the charger and leaving it for some time until all makes have been downloaded and installed. Remember that new versions regularly appear under the update icon. It is a good idea to check this a few times a month. That's it. Your F9S tester is ready to use. Congratulations!